Let us review a brief history of the significance of the Red Cavalry Scarf within the ranks of the Buffalo Soldiers. Buffalo Soldier was a nickname for African American soldiers post-Civil War. They served in the 9th and 10th Cavalry Regiments and were integral in the settling of the American West. The 9th Cavalry Regiment was established on July 28, 1866. This unit served in Indian Wars, war with Spain, and several other conflicts. They were awarded 15 Medals of Honor. The 10th Cavalry Regiment was formed at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas and saw distinguished service in Cuba. This unit was awarded 8 Medals of Honor. The Buffalo Soldiers experienced many challenges and triumphs to include facing blatant racism and enduring austere conditions, but they ensured safety in post-Civil War Southwest and served in other crucial roles in military campaigns. In combat, the Buffalo Soldiers were integral in securing the American West. Their tasks included protecting builders and settlers as well as rescuing settlers. These troops demonstrated unparalleled courage in the execution of their duties. The Red Cavalry Scarf was a symbol of pride, unity and distinction. It was worn as a mark of the cavalry's elite status and was a reflection of the courage and valor of the Buffalo Soldiers. The red scarf set cavalry apart from infantry. It represented the blood which was shed in battle, but was also a beacon of hope and resilience. The soldiers of the 9th and 10th Cavalry inspired tales of bravery and valor. They were integral in the narrative of how the West was won. Buffalo Soldiers were champions of resilience and discipline. So, let us salute the Buffalo Soldiers and their legacy as a symbol of courage, discipline, and resilience. Let us recognize the Red Cavalry Scarf they wore as a lasting emblem of their sacrifices and honor them as their legacy is imprinted in the annals of American history.